everybody, and welcome back to Ava's Toys and Learning and Ava's Adventures. Today, we're going to be playing with the Dinosaur Egg Toy, and that's by Tengzin Company. Let's see what's inside and open it up. Oh, wow. It looks like there's some cards. Oh, with dinosaurs on them. I wonder what that means. Let's put that over here. And then it comes with these little brush and chipper thingies. I'm not quite sure what this is for. Now it looks like there's some kind of egg here. Why don't we put them into the sand and let's count and see how many there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the last one, 12. Wow, there's 12 eggs. I wonder what's inside of them. I think we use this tool to open up the eggs. I'm not sure. Maybe let's give it a try. And remember, if this is unsafe, then maybe you could ask your parents for a little bit of help. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, we've got to break each one open and dig. Hopefully we can figure out what kind of dinosaur is inside of here. Oh, I see a tail. Well, the brush is useful to clean off the dust. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I'm starting to see some legs. Oh, wow. There it is. Let's clean it off a little bit better. I think this one's called the Diplodocus, and it's the color green. Let's try egg number 2. Oh, wow. I'm already seeing something. It's a head. To be very careful. Whoops. Okay, there we go. We'll give it a little bit of a clean his face. And I think this is called the Ornithomimus. And it looks to be purple and green. Let's do egg number 3. Oh, wow. I already see the head. Whoa! Gotta be careful. Okay, there we go. Clean it off. And then let's try to figure out which kind of dinosaur this is. I think that this is a Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay, egg number 4. All right, almost there. This is the Deinonychus. It kind of looks like a Tyrannosaurus. Let's continue with egg number 5. Ooh, there's the tail. Yep. Ooh, wow, I think there's its feet. Right, let's continue with egg number 6. Oh, wow. Oh, it looks like some kind of animal with a wing. Okay. There it is. This is a pterodactyl. Let's move on to egg number 7. That one's got the whole thing. Alright, let's clean it off. Now this is a Styrosaurus. Let's put him over here in the play bank. Now let's move on to egg number 8. Almost there. What kind of dinosaur do you think that is? I think that's an iguanodon. Let's put him over here in the sand. Alright, let's move on to egg number 9. Alright. I think this is an Ankylosaurus. Egg number 10. All right. I think this is a Parasaurolophus. Let's put him in the sand. And on to egg number 11. Oh, I know what this dinosaur is. It's a Corythosaurus. Alright, let's put him in the sand too. And the last egg, egg number 12. Let's see which one it is. I think this is my favorite. Yep, I think so too. But we're going to have to finish uncovering it, just to be sure. Right. Yeah, that's a Stegosaurus. Let's put him in the sand too. Let's go ahead and clean the dinosaurs. Dinosaur number 3. Dinosaur number 4. And number 5. Number 6. Number 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. And 12.